Combine water, yeast, salt, and sugar. Form a well with the flour. Gradually combine the water and the flour. Knead for 10 minutes.
Hey guys, I made this tutorial entirely using my smartphone and the Wondershare Filmora app, which has been upgraded to the 13.1.8 version. And for the voiceover, I have used the awesome AI text-to-speech feature. So let me show you how I did it.
Once you shoot the photos for the recipe, download and install Wondershare Filmora app for Android and iOS. Add a new project and import the photos sequentially. Your slideshow is ready. The default duration for each photo is 3 seconds, but we want to make it 2 seconds, so apply to all and it's done. Next, add the steps of the recipe to the corresponding pictures. Move them, resize them, and also change the color. After that, tap the subtitles. You will find this option called text to speech, which is powered by AI. Tap to listen to the voice model.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
The voice models are categorized by narration, news, ads, social media, educational, conversational, and children.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Let's go with Bria. So create and it will be converted to voice. Do it for all the subtitles. I can apply it to all, but that might mess up the timeline. Make sure you resize and adjust the timeline duration to match the voiceover. Finally, add a background music from the library. Adjust the volume of the background music. There you go, the video is ready.
Combine water, yeast, salt, and sugar. Form a well with the flour. Gradually combine the water and the flour.